Welcome back to this course, Introduction to the Kotlin Programming Language, a presentation of Coding Boot Camps. This is Session 4, Kotlin Operators. Welcome to this video on operations on numeric types. So let's take a look at some of our operators. We have a Kotlin project here we call Project for Operators. And we have our package that is also called operators. And let's take a look at some numeric operators. So we can see here the assignment, which we looked at earlier, but here we can see the parentheses. We are doing addition here between these two integers, and then we're also doing some addition and dividing it. So we're doing some division right here, and then we're doing some multiplication. And the compiler is able to work out the order of operations here. The ultimate result will be 450, and it is a very typical order of operations. Same as Java, same as C and C++, same as .NET. We can also see the subtraction operation here. What we're going to do for exercise is remove the comments and also remove the comments here, just get the subtraction working. And we're also outputting the value of C here. There was also some shorthand operations. So the plus is increases or increments the value by 1. So we could take A, and every time this line is executed, A increments by 1. So first time it would go from 10 to 11, 11 to 12, and so on. And then the plus equals is adds to itself. So we can see here if we do plus equals 5, we take 20, and we do plus equals 5, it'll become 25, and then we output those values. So if we run our exercise here, we're just going to select the Kotlin class file, right click, we'll click on run, it'll compile, and then we'll see here the 450. We'll see here how 10 went to 11 and 20 went to 25. So that's it for this video. Again, please go in, follow the instructions, remove some comments, and get the subtraction working. Stay tuned for our next video where we take a look at some bitwise operators.